bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here? Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Mr. Chair, if our resource person is done, hindi po tayo nathi-threaten doon. And in fact, Mr. Chair,
produce
pinakinggan na
the
po natin.
document.
Mr. Chair, I have the floor.
Suspension again.
Because I will be charging you.
Ngayong gabi at I think
Yes.
pagod na rin ang ating Your Honors na malalim na ngayong gabi at I think
Yes.
pagod na rin ang ating resource person.
Palalimin pa natin, sir.